Let's learn how to create files and directories using two simple commands, touch and make directory. File creation with touch. First, let's talk about the touch command. Touch was originally made so a user could update a file's details, like when it was last modified. But if the file does not exist yet, touch will create a new empty file for you. For example, to create a new file called new file, type this command in the terminal, touch new file. After you press enter, the file new file will be created. To check, you can list the files in the directory by typing ls-l. This will show a long list of files, and you should see new file listed with a size of 0, meaning it has no content yet. Creating a directory. Next, let's create a directory, which is like a folder. The command to make a new directory is mkdir, which stands for make directory. To create a directory named new directory, type mkdir new directory. Now to move into this new directory, type cd new directory. This command changes your current location to the new directory folder you just created. That's it. Now you know how to create empty files with touch and folders with mkdir and how to move into those folders using cd.